of Bangladesh, where dreams take flight. Basis leads the charge with vision shining bright. Russell T. Ahmed at the helm, guiding with grace. With them Rashidul Hassan, setting the pace. Basis, oh basis, beacon of innovation, with leaders like stars charting our nation. From Said Muhammad Kamal to Iqbal Ahmed Fakhrul Hassan, together they stand, as one they will summon. In the realm of tech, where ideas find home, MD Mustafiza Rahman Sohail carves a path of his own. Didarul Alam Wasif Rahman, voices in symphony. Dr. Muhammad Risalat Siddiq, shaping destiny. Basis, oh basis, bridge to tomorrow, with minds like rivers flowing free from sorrow. Bir Shahrukh Islam, Biplab Khoshrahu, and Abdullah Jade, their spirit ignites in every step they've laid. From the bustling streets to the digital sphere, Basis echoes hope, dispelling every fear. In the dance of progress, they lead the way, with each member shining like the break of day. Basis, oh Basis, song of unity, with hearts entwined in boundless opportunity. For Bangladesh they stand tall and true. Basis our guiding light, shining through of day, shining through like the break